Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we take a deep dive into the products that shape our kitchens and homes. Today we're going to explore the BOSS Cyclone 4-jar Perfect Mixer Grinder. Now this isn't just any grinder. This one promises a powerful 750-watt motor, 3 variable speeds, and the flexibility to grind, blend, and make chutneys, shakes, and pastes with ease. Sounds promising, but does it deliver on that promise? Let's break it down and find out. The BOSS Cyclone features an all-copper 750-watt motor. For the uninitiated, an all-copper motor means that it's built to last longer and operate more efficiently compared to regular aluminum motors. This machine comes with 3 stainless steel jars, each designed for different purposes, plus 1 blending jar. Inside, you'll find 6 stainless steel blades, which, according to the product specs, are geared to handle even the toughest ingredients. So, whether you're working with dense spices for a masala paste or softer ingredients for smoothies, this mixer grinder is built to tackle it all. What's really interesting about the BOSS Cyclone is its inclusion of a juice jar and extractor with a pusher. This means that in addition to grinding and blending, you can also use this machine to extract juices with ease. It's marketed as a versatile kitchen tool, but how well does it hold up in real-life use? Speaking of use, let's talk about my personal experience with it. When I first set it up, I was impressed by how straightforward the installation process was. Each jar clicked into place with ease and the machine felt sturdy. I started with some basic grinding, freshly cut onions and tomatoes for a chutney. The BOSS Cyclone did a stellar job in terms of texture. The chutney came out smooth with no chunks left behind, which is crucial when you're trying to create the perfect spread for your meals. The blades are definitely sharp as advertised, and they cut through the onions and tomatoes without much effort. The next test was blending. I made a smoothie with frozen fruits, and here the machine performed pretty well. It did take a little longer than I expected to completely blend everything into a smooth consistency, but after a minute or so of blending, the texture was just right. I will mention, though, that the motor did get a bit warm by the end of the process, which is something to keep in mind when using it for extended periods. The 3 variable speed control is a feature that definitely stands out. It allows you to adjust the power based on what you're doing. Lower speeds are great for grinding dry ingredients like spices, while the higher speeds work well for blending and juicing. The inclusion of the incher feature is also a nice touch, allowing you to pulse the motor for precise control, especially when making pastes or grinding hard ingredients. One thing that struck me during testing was the water draining facility. This is a clever feature, as it prevents any water from accumulating at the base of the grinder, keeping everything dry and safe during use. The non-slip feet are another practical feature. They kept the machine firmly in place on the counter, even when it was running at full speed. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. First off, the build quality is solid. The stainless steel jars feel durable, and the non-slip feet help keep the machine stable during use. The motor is powerful, and the ability to adjust the speed is incredibly useful for different grinding and blending tasks. On the flip side, while the machine performs well, it's important to note that it's not the quietest mixer grinder on the market. It can get a bit noisy, especially when you're working at higher speeds. Also, the motor does get warm after extended use, so you'll need to allow it to cool down before using it again. In terms of value for money, the BOSS Cyclone offers a lot for the price. With its powerful 750-watt motor, multiple jars, and versatile features, it's a solid choice for those looking for a reliable mixer grinder without breaking the bank. But there are alternatives out there that are priced similarly. Some competitors, like the Prethi or Philips models, also offer similar power and functionality. However, what sets the BOSS Cyclone apart is its durability, the inclusion of the juice extractor with pusher, and the water draining system, which could make it a more appealing choice for those who want an all-in-one solution. When it comes to build quality, the all-copper motor is a real selling point. It's built to last longer than standard aluminum motors, and the stainless steel jars are easy to clean and maintain. However, as mentioned earlier, it's not the most quiet machine, so if you're sensitive to noise, that could be a drawback. As for longevity, there's no long-term data available yet, but based on the materials and the brand's reputation, it's safe to assume that the BOSS Cyclone is built to stand the test of time. Just be sure to let it cool down between uses. Customer support is one area I didn't need to test personally, but BOSS generally has a good reputation for responsiveness. While I didn't have any issues with the product that required reaching out to their customer service, based on their reputation, I'd expect a quick response if any issues did arise. They also offer a warranty, which adds a layer of security for buyers. So, what's the final verdict? The BOSS Cyclone 4-jar perfect mixer grinder delivers on its promises. It's powerful, versatile, and easy to use, making it a great addition to any kitchen. While it's not the quietest option, and it does require some cooling time between uses, it's still an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable kitchen companion. Whether you're grinding spices, making chutneys, or blending smoothies, this product will serve you well. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly, high-performing mixer grinder, the BOSS Cyclone is definitely worth considering. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our in-depth reviews. And if you're already using the BOSS Cyclone, let us know what you think in the comments below. Your feedback is always welcome. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more insights and reviews right here on Reviewsinside TV. See you next time, and may your kitchen be filled with the perfect grind.